All right, so this is Keeley's 9th driving hour, where she takes her mock road test, and she has to prove to me that she has due care and control of the vehicle, and that she can drive on her own by herself without any help from me. So here we go. I'm on my way to pick her up at her house. Sounds like a little dog. I thought she had a big one.
Yeah, she is big. She's only 6 months.
What kind of dog?
German Shepherd.
Oh, okay. So she sounds like my little Shih Tzu.
She's barking like that because I'm leaving. I'm not taking her with me.
Yeah.
I wish I could take my dog with me.
My little co-pilot. He's sitting right here. So, no pressure. All you have to do is prove to me that you can, that you have due care and control of the vehicle.
Okay.
We'll head over to the road test area. We won't start your road test just yet there. We'll just go over there first. That dog looks like one of those, what's it, Doji coin dogs. The Bitcoin dog there, Elon Musk. Maybe you don't.
Oh, is it the Shiba Inu?
Yeah, Shiba Inu, that's it.
Yeah, those dogs are very good.
Are they? Yeah.
They very much are.
Really?
Personally, never had one, but I dealt with a few. I would never have one.
I find the I had a German Shepherd mix. What was it? What do you call those dogs? They pull sleds.
Huskies?
Yeah, Husky. Shepherd Husky mix. That thing was hard to handle, man.
Huskies are not.
Just love to pull. I'm gonna make a left turn here. Basically, he'd be taking me for a walk.
Yeah, Huskies are like I don't know.
Yeah, because he pulled so much in the wintertime there, he pulled me right down and like down the road, basically on my back. I'm gonna make a right.